Get ready for unparalleled capability with the 2023 Ford Super Duty F-450 Regular Chassis Cab XL, now at MSA Ford. This workhorse, finished in a clean Oxford white, is powered by the formidable 7.3-liter DEVCT V8 engine, paired with a smooth 10-speed automatic transmission. It's equipped with a Sync 4 8-inch screen, a factory trailer brake controller, and a rear-view camera and prep kit to make any job easier. Book a test drive today at MSA Ford in the Fraser Valley Auto Mall right here in Abbotsford. Ready to build the ultimate work truck for your business? This F-450 chassis cab is your perfect blank canvas. Whether your work takes you from the farms of Abbotsford to construction sites in Mission, this Super Duty is engineered to handle the demands of the Fraser Valley. This truck is loaded with functional features to make your workday better. It comes standard with an anti-lock brake system, cruise control, remote keyless entry, power steering, power locks, and power windows. The cab is designed for business with durable medium dark slate ActiveX flooring and comfortable 40-20-40 ActiveX seats. Stay informed with the 4.2-inch productivity screen. The exterior features auto lamp headlamps, roof clearance lights, and tow hooks. Plus, it's prepped for any upfit with 6 factory-installed upfitter switches and transmission power takeoff provision. We often get asked, what makes this F-450 chassis cab a reliable partner for the toughest jobs? It's all in the heavy-duty engineering. This truck is built around the powerful 7.3-liter V8 engine and 10-speed automatic transmission. It features a 4.88 ratio limited slip axle, trailer sway control, and a heavy service front suspension. All this is part of the 16,500-pound gross vehicle weight rating package, ensuring it has the backbone to handle immense payloads and be the dependable foundation your business needs. MSA Ford, serving the Fraser Valley for 75 years.